How to remove mention in Facebook comments. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. Click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen, which will lead you to this page. In here, click on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then, scroll down in all these options and click on notifications. After you click on notifications, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on tags. After you click on tags, click on batch mentions and turn it off. After you do that, click on get notification when you're tagged by. Click on it. After you click on it, you'll find this kind of screen. In here, make sure it's only friends or no one and save it. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to remove mention in Facebook comments. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.